So, Victron Energy, the MPPT 7515, is capable of 15 amps. Thus, that is my second one I've had. First one was a 10, and really easy to hook up. I replaced this on the Coachman 194 bunkhouse that we just purchased. Very easy. You got battery, you got a solar panel, and then I have a load that I currently have hooked to a refrigerator. Works really well. It turns your whole camper into a, well, electrical control station, which is an app control. So, see if I can get this over. I guess it is vertical. So here you are with the VAT. It's overcast. It's an amazing panel hidden on the top here. It currently is cranking out 29 watts. The refrigerator that you can see in the background is running, and that's pulling, looks like 2.5, 2.4 amps when it runs in eco mode, which is really nice. We'll reconnect here again. But so that's the really nice thing about having this. Comes with the unit. You can switch over and see your charging history, your minimum voltage, your maximum voltage overnight, what you cranked into the battery yesterday, and then you can set up whatever you need for what kind of battery you have, minimum voltage for the drop off and whatnot. So it's really a nifty little machine here. It's much better than what this unit came with, which ironically was also a Victron machine, but it really does well. You can see there's not too much sun. I'd say it's definitely not a direct sun. There's just about getting a shadow, but not even a shadow, and we're still cranking out 35 watts out of the 100 watts that the panel, which sits on top of the unit, is capable of. And it's really neat that I have hooked on to the load side of the unit for the refrigerator here, so I can monitor what that thing is consuming as well, and I can turn battery cutoff rates a little bit different than if I just hooked it up to the battery. So it's really neat. So anyway, Victron MPPT 7515, really like it. See ya.